Hi, I'm Elik from The Voice Keeper. The Voice Keeper is the fastest and easiest voice banking service. One of the problems that we saw when we started to work on voice banking is that creating a personal voice required a lot of commitment. Not only that it required recording hundreds or thousands of sentences, it's a hassle, nobody has time for it, it becomes a task. We thought of how to make it easier, and one of the options to make it easier is using the iPhone. The iPhone has a superb microphone, and we've created an app that allows you to create a personal voice from your iPhone. So I will start showing the app. It's called The Voice Keeper, available on iTunes, available for iPad and iPhones. Registration is extremely fast. Oh, I'm not logged out, I will log in. Registration is extremely fast. You can do it either with your email or password that you can create at this moment with your account that you may be created on the web, or even using Google login. I will create an account. It only takes a few seconds and I'm good to go. The app tells me how to hold the phone. As long as I'm in a quiet room and speak regularly, it shouldn't be a problem. I just put the phone close to my mouth. The app shows me sentences on the screen. I just put the phone as close as possible to my mouth and start recording them. The company provided major support for the development of Project Spacetrack. I need to record 30 sentences in order to get the first version of my voice. Let's see how it goes. The World Cup final sold out months in advance. She's a Japanese actress and singer. You should read it as naturally as possible, so it will capture the way you speak. The group played festivals including Big Day Out. Oh, here I made a small mistake. I can just repeat the recording. I never have to hear the recording again because it's not critical. As long as I'm in a quiet room and holding the iPhone close to my mouth, it will be okay. I can always re-record the sentence if I made a mistake, like in this case. Casino Niagara is a commercial casino located in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Notice that I use punctuations wherever the sentence shows. That's it, uploading audio. Okay, now it says congratulations. At this stage, there is a recommended strategy. We've spent 3 minutes of recording, and our technology right now needs about 7 minutes to process these recordings and create a personal voice that you can test on the app. What we recommend on this stage is to keep recording for these 7 minutes. So you end up investing 10 minutes, and in 30 minutes from now you will have 2 versions of your voice. One of them is based on 10 minutes of recording, which sounds really good. Remember that the 30 is usually a basic voice, it's just to encourage you and help you record further, give you some encouragement, because we don't want to record 1,000 sentences or 500 before we get some feedback. In this case, we'll give it a few minutes of wait, and we will return shortly to hear my personal voice. Stay tuned. Again, 7 or 8 minutes after we finish recording, we can use my voice tab. We can enter any text we want, or if we are lazy, we can click on the play button. It will read default text.
This is my personal voice, created using the voicekeeper.com website, after only 3 minutes of recording myself.
This is basic quality of the voice. You will see the biggest jump in quality if you record for 10 minutes, if you reach the 100 voice version. The 30 version is not that stable because it's only 30 sentences, so you may get different results. Some people get great results with the 30 sentences. You can also share it with your friends. I think you can notice that it captured my accent somehow, so this is another good property of this technology. Currently, the player part is very basic, but we are working on a lot of improvement, and we will make it. We will give it some AAC features like word prediction and some other features to help users really use it for reading aloud. Thank you very much for staying with me for so long.